Yeah, this is the machine working.
Look, so.
It's cleaning.
Look, so.
You can see.
It's water.
Yeah, so this is the Cookology Dishwasher.
Water.
Very efficient. Don't you live there? Very efficient in his washing. You can see that. Okay, and this washing machine, this dishwasher is a manual one. You can put the water through here, right, and then the pipe behind goes and leads all the way in here. So that is it. This is doing enjoying a pizza and enjoying the work of the dishwasher. So let me move back so you can see it's relative to the size of the washing machine.
Daddy.
Very efficient.
Daddy.
Yes.
Look at so.
Yes.
I'm washing my plate.
Doing a perfect job, and we use what is called the dishwasher soap. Let me see if I can find it. It's called the Fairy Platinum dishwasher soap. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's called Cookology, right? And it's washing everything. As you can see, that plate initially had stain. It's no longer there. You can see that the plate had a stain which is no longer there, and it is very efficient and it's doing the job. Let's go to my electricity meter. Oh, it's reading at 20 now. That's good. Not so bad. Unlike the 40 something. Then who asked you to turn it off?
It's me.
You turned it off.
Yeah.
Turn the light off. We can better appreciate the
No,
work.
don't turn it on. The light is, the washing machine is the light.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me turn off the light.
Alright, turn it off. Bye. It has turned off. The light has gone off.
It's brilliant, so easy to install, no plumbing needed, would suit a single person or a couple. Goes in the sink, top bit, that's where the water goes, and you get a jug with it. Would recommend it. Thumbs up from me. Thank you.
the dishwasher. My little mini dishwasher. Very cute. Cutlery at the top. Cups, plates. And it just fits under the cupboard on the counter. And then the tube of the water goes into the sink. And you just plug it into the socket.